family, so I'm getting them together. Got both of them welded out. Now I got to work on the fabrication of the to lock them in. So I ran across an issue that I wasn't aware of. When you close that door, it don't give you no gap here. Like here, you don't have any gap to put something in, so I'm gonna have to fabricate something. I'm gonna think about this one. But I got my deals done under here, so that way they can slide under there. I got all them in. So I got those welded up, and they'll slide right in, which I'm gonna go on and slide one real quick. And I got a stop down there at the back, so that way it'll stop right here in the front, and I can pin it, put a pin in there, hold them in. So that's what I got going, man. I gotta get my hog on. Black Phoenix, I'm out.